Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a freelance business with Upwork, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Create an Upwork account by visiting the Upwork website. Fill in your basic information, including your email address and password. Confirm your email to verify your account. Complete your profile by adding a professional photo. Write an engaging headline that captures your skills. Include a summary that highlights your experience and services. List your skills relevant to your freelance business. Set your hourly rate or fixed price options based on market research. Add your work history and education to showcase your background. Upload a portfolio showcasing your best work to attract potential clients. Take skills tests provided by Upwork to enhance your profile credibility. Browse available job listings based on your skills and interests. Submit tailored proposals for jobs that align with your expertise. Personalize each proposal to address the client's specific requirements. Include examples from your portfolio that relate to the project. Be prompt in responding to client messages to build good rapport. Once hired, clarify project details to ensure you and the client are aligned. Deliver high-quality work within the agreed timeline. Request feedback upon completion to build your reputation on the platform. Continuously update your profile and skills as you gain experience. Engage with Upwork's community and resources for ongoing support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.